I'm going to be playing Airplane Story 3 today. Oh, there's a man in the window. With my friend Natalia Taps. Again, she's going to be playing every single Airplane Story with me on my channel.
Hi, I'm still here.
I'm just going to wait for her to upload into the game.
Hopefully this time I don't die.
Titles.
My screen
I don't have a title. Whatever, because I barely play this game, but I played it before. It's very fun and interesting.
Hey guys, today you're playing Airplane 3 with Evie. Hi Evie, say hi.
Hi. So she's filming this on her channel as well.
You watch.
Yay.
Guys, subscribe to us or else no
Subscribe to
lunch.
my channel and like this video. Also, subscribe to Natalia Taps' channel. What's your channel's name? Okay, she doesn't really have a channel, whatever.
Yet.
She doesn't have one yet, but she's going to download all the videos soon.
Yeah.
So, yay.
So just keep a watch out.
Yeah.
Just watch Evie's channel for now.
Yeah, watch my channel for now and see her on it. How ironic is that? I'm sitting on a chair in front of Connell, whatever. So, yeah. Secret mission. That's what it says. Welcome, everyone.
Not really. I'm not really wondering.
I'm not wondering because he didn't gather us here, did he, guys? We gathered ourselves.
Yeah.
Airplane is right on top of my head. Yay.
Can I go in it?
No, you can't, sadly. But we are going on to a aeroplane. This is the Army General of Roboxia States. You can call me General Poncho. I'm going to call it Poncho. I do not know how to pronounce it though. Take the seat. I've already taken a seat.
Same.
No, don't tell me. If I don't sit on a seat or you don't sit on a seat, you'll die. That's just weird.
You die from
Get on. I got it on the last second.
I hear you. That's the point.
On your screen, it kind of looks like I'm saying it because I'm right in front of him. Well, I was. He hasn't got a top on. He hasn't even got a body thing. Whatever. Oh, he doesn't either. This is our target. His name is Ronald. We have investigated and all we know is he is a dangerous Robloxian.
Why is he a dangerous Robloxian? What did he do? Oh, I just guessed
What
that.
did he do?
I just guessed that.
That is where we are heading. Has kidnapped the captain of an aeroplane. Oh no, everyone in that plane must be in danger.
Yeah. Oh, really? I never knew.
That is right. Wait, everyone in that plane? Ronald isn't in danger. Luckily, the plane is still flying in autopilot mode. That means the aeroplane is safe. Our mission is to stop Ronald. We need to find that plane and get everyone else safely. That's what he's saying, guys. And bring him to justice. But how will we get to the plane? Good question. No, I'm literally attached. I'm standing right in the middle. I'm standing right in the middle, guys. Yay! There's literally an arrow attached right to me. I'm right in the middle. Yep, I'm ready. Are you?
Yeah. Not really, but I have to be ready anyways.
Yeah. Alright, go.
Tell her
Let's
right
go. Whee!
Have you mentioned to subscribe yet?
On yours, does he have a top on?
Yeah.
On mine, he doesn't. Look. See through. His ghost. Going. Hey! His face. Oh no, it hasn't. I thought his face was gone. Going down. Airplane 3. Woo. Oh yes. So I'm gonna get an army suit. I'm not sure which one I'm getting.
Which one are you gonna get?
I might get the red one.
I wanted the red one. I think I died. I didn't get to the uniform in time. I think that's how I died. I think I died. I died because of the
Yeah, I really like the red one, guys, so I'm going to wear the red one.
Oh, I fell off.
Did you die?
I died. I fell
Oh
off.
no, Natalia died!
How did I? Why did I just walk off? Why? I just walked off. But you guys can play without me. Bye, guys.
Looking good. I know I'm looking
Play without
good.
me.
Bye, Natalia.
guys.
I never saw you died.
Don't worry, I'm still here. I could continue what I was doing before you called me.
So
to do a
let's check
video.
the system. I'm
going to
standing.
do what I was doing before Evie told me to do the video.
Don't make it loud, please. There is not enough fuel in the plane. Oh no. I love this song. So there's nozzles to the plane, depending on its colour. Let's do it! I'm doing this all the time. Quarter coffin, how could I? So I just lost some of my life because I didn't jump over that electric wiry thingy, whatever it's called. Now I need to put the blue. But I didn't lose that much of my energy anyways. So, yeah. I got the yellow one now. So, I've got one more of these like nozzles to put in, and it's the green one. Where is the green one? Oh, the green one's over here. I nearly fell. I nearly fell down then, guys. Oh gosh. So I did it. made a teleplane, actually. So the tank is full now. So, yay. My hair looks pink. It's supposed to be blonde. So he's starting the engine now. Yay. So I'm going to go into the back door. Where even is the back door? Ah, there it is. 26 seconds till they close it. 24, now 23. When I do this, guys, my hair looks so weird. Or whatever. I still can't believe I'm the last one left again. I hope I don't die in this one. I mean, I don't... Airplane Story 3 is not my favourite. I like Airplane Story 1 or 4. But Airplane Story is fun. Oops. I knew it wasn't poisoned anyways. I mean, because why did I gain energy rather than lose energy? So guys, it's raining there and there's a storm, and why am I outside? I'm gonna get struck by lightning. I'm standing on a wing. Woo, woo. Oh no. A motor. What do I do? So I'm not getting struck. I don't remember that I wasn't supposed to get struck by lightning in this. I haven't played this in a long time. Guys, so yeah. The motor is fixed. I didn't get struck by lightning. Woo! A skeleton. Ah, that just looks so weird. Oh, that's the Monster in Airplane 3, isn't it? Please. So, there was a huge skeleton and he's trying to burn stuff. So we will sneak at the back of the door of the kidnapped plane, guys. So we need to get, yeah, there's the house. So they have one more chance.
Tell me how much.
Good luck, soldiers. Okay, that's what he said. Yeah, I had to pause some of the video because I had to talk to someone, but it does not matter. Oh, we're in the back of the plane. I found stinky cheese. It's right there. I already found a hammer. It's behind the box. I love this part of everything. There's Ronald. Sorry guys, excuse me. people are being kidnapped. All the noobs are now safe. Well, they are in the noob avatar, so yeah. Ronald literally did something to all of them. I already untied the noobs by myself. Wolf, I'm the chosen one again. Okay, I'm going to try and talk. I'm going to try and talk to Ronald. I'm the only one left, so I have to be the hero. Yeah. Ronald, open the door. We can work this out. That's what I'm saying. Let the captain go. No, you don't deserve this. Listen to what I'm going to say. What is wrong, Ronald? Tell us what made you do this. Everyone made fun of me. And I had problems. There was no one there. All I ever wanted is a friend. Oh. We can be. Yeah, he is a good person on the inside. Why? There is no time. The plane is about to explode, oh dear. I died. Guys, I died just at the end, but right at the end because of the fire, but whatever. It is the end of the video. So I'll see you next time.